So what percentage do you think you should be saving and what percentage should you invest? It's a good question. A lot of us struggle with this. Okay, we have some money that we have earned. What percentage should go into saving? Number one, nothing goes into saving according to me. Take all your savings money and get into investments. So the number is 40%. 40% of your earned income should immediately leave your bank account and should be kept in a separate account in a separate place and get into investments, something which you absolutely cannot touch. It's absolutely important because the goal is not to get better at earning more money, but the goal is to make sure our money works harder for us. And how is that going to happen? When you make sacrifices in terms of taking 40% of your earned income and immediately putting it away where you cannot touch that. So again, if you like this idea, and if this is hard, or if you are doing it, let me know what happened with your success. If you're not doing it, let me know what you disagree with. I would love to hear from you. If you love this video, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.